Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the canvas. Cleanse and hydrate so products sit evenly. Once skin is damp and moisturized, you apply a light primer to smooth texture, because texture exaggerates pigmentation. Make sure to use SPF 30+ now. Preventing new spots is as important as fixing old ones. Next, pick a color corrector. Peach to deep orange tones for deep brown or dark skin. Blend thinly into each dark spot with a small brush. This neutralizes blue-green undertones before concealer. Once your corrector is blended, you apply concealer. Choose a full coverage formula about 1 shade lighter than your baseline skin to lift the darkened area without looking ashy. Dab concealer with a small dense brush or fingertip, tapping to build coverage in thin layers. This prevents cakiness and preserves blend lines. Make sure to feather the edges into surrounding skin so transitions read natural. After you achieve coverage, set gently with a finely milled translucent or slightly skin-toned powder to lock everything in place. To finish, blend edges seamlessly with a damp sponge using light bouncing motions so transitions disappear. Once blended, match the finish, matte versus dewy, to the rest of your face with a light sweep of skin-toned powder or spritz of finishing spray. If you notice flashback in photos or an ashy cast, warm the area subtly with a cream bronzer or switch to a concealer with warmer undertones. If coverage breaks down, reapply thin layers rather than slathering more product in one go.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.